Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to cut a shift dress or a kaftan with a hoodie. So we'll start by taking our neck measurement. I'll be using the measurement of 3.5 inches and I'll come down by 1.5 inch. This part is for the neck width. This is the neck measurement, and I'll come out by 1 inch and make a slight curve in this manner. Then I'll come down still on this part. For the front part, I'll come down by 7 inches and I'll mark. On this part of the dress, I'll place my tape rule and I'll measure down 11 inches. This is for the chest line, and also it will also serve as the width of the sleeve, because I'm cutting both the sleeve and the bodies together. My tape rule is still placed on 11 inches. I'll come down to take the length of the dress. I'll be using the length of 56 inches with a hemming allowance of 2 inches. And I will connect all of it. On this chest line, which also serves as the wideness of the sleeve, I will come in by 6 inches. I will mark the 6 inches all the way down. Get my ruler and connect all the points. At this point, I'll come out by 1 inch and I'll make a slight curve. To get the shoulder slope on this sleeve part, I'll come down by 1 inch and mark, then get my ruler and connect it to the width of the neck. So I'll go ahead now and open this neck part. This is the back neck and this is the front neck. So I'll cut all of this open now. So I've gone out to cut out this space for the hoodie, and I've created a border line of 1 inch. I'll get my tape rule now and I'll measure in 3.5 inch from this point. I will go down by 3.5 inch here. At this point, I'll come in by 3 inches and I will go ahead and connect all of this point in this manner. At this point, with this borderline, I will connect this front, this part to this point. And get my scissors and cut. Also gone ahead to cut the facing for the front part and for the back part. And the front pocket, this piece is for the front pocket. It's a measurement of 25.5 inches by 14 inches with folding in allowance inclusive. Then I'll go ahead and shaping this front part. I'll go in by 4 inches. Come down by 5 inches and make a curve. Looking like this. So see you in my next video. Bye.